Well, Father, inirekomenda na po ng CIDG yung pagsasampa ng kasong paglabag sa Anti-Hazing Act laban kay Coach Tab, ilang dating coaches at staff. Ano po ang reaksyon ng Ateneo dito?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say that we respect the recommendations of the CIDG and we respect all the work that went into it. But we also await the results from other investigations and inquiries as well as the responses to the same recommendations. And in the meantime, we continue to support the families who are also named in the same set of recommendations and the whole community that is trying to respond to this now.
But kayo, Father RB, what were your thoughts about it nang inanunsyo ni SILG Remulla yung findings ng CIDG na hazing yung nangyari sa Aurora?
Actually, I was shocked and saddened because two of our student managers are involved, as well as two utility ball boys, si Aris and si Boy, and Drew and Paulo, student managers. So, yeah, it anxiety causing, I have to admit, especially for the persons involved.
But of course, nabanggit yun na po nga kasi kasama doon sa mga kakasuhan ng CIDG, yung student managers at saka yung ball boys. May we know na saan po sila at ano po yung gagawin ng Ateneo tungkol dito?
Well, of course, they're with their families now, and we've been in close contact with them. In fact, si Father Bobby personally reached out to the parents of Drew and Paulo, and personally to Aris and Boy. And we, as we have from the very beginning, we continue to express our support in whatever way, and we're there for them. And we personally, through Father Bobby, reached out to them, of course, and we're here to support them and their families, especially at this time.
Pinag-uusapan na po ba, Father, kung ano yung magiging susunod na hakbang ng Ateneo kaugnay ng development na ito?
Like I said earlier, we continue to work closely and cooperate with all the agencies concerned naturally, and we do, and at the same time we will continue to support all the families and the immediate community involved in this, of course, and named here.
Po, kasi kahapon nga po, nasa NBI itong si Ateneo President Father Bobby Yap at sinabi po niya na magpapatuloy ang suporta ng mga pamilya or magpapatuloy yung suporta ng Ateneo sa pamilya ni Rene at Divine over several years. Ano po bang ibig sabihin nito, Father? Ibig sabihin po ba nito ay nagkaroon na ng settlement agreement sa pagitan ng Ateneo at ng mga pamilya?
I'm glad you mentioned that interview. I don't think si Father Bobby, if you remember that same interview, he never mentioned the word how do you say, settlement. What he did say, and he continued to say as a school, and it's true, from the very beginning, from day one, we've always been there for the families concerned and their loved ones and all the friends, all the relationships here. Tumutulong po at patuloy na tumulong at patuloy na tutulong ang Ateneo de Manila and the whole community of the Ateneo.
Opo, kasi nabanggit din po nung abogado ng pamilya ni Baterbonia na lilipad daw po yung taga-Ateneo doon sa Davao para makipag-usap sa pamilya. So we're wondering if it's about the settlement case.
Wala pong na-mention si Father, wala pong sinabi si Father about settlement. At patuloy po yung pagtulong from day one without asking for anything, wala pong kapalit.
Okay, ano naman po yung mga konkretong tulong na ibinibigay ninyo sa kanila? Just to clarify, up to what extent of help are you providing the families?
From the very beginning po, from even the bringing of the body and bringing back to Davao, for instance, yung sa Burol, sa Nigeria, yung pagpapadala po ng katawan at pagbalik dito. Tas in fact, naandun ba po yung Jesuit na sumama kay Divine, pauwi pa lang po, pero that much and more, in fact. Pero with no real settlement as you speak of, but really help as needed consistently from the very beginning.
Opo, Father, of course, you are aware of the sentiments of the Ateneo community po, and you mentioned yesterday in your statement na Ateneo would strengthen the reforms that are already underway to help ensure that such a tragedy is never repeated. Ano pong ibig sabihin ninyo nung sinabi nyo ito?
The Board of Trustees has mandated po the university to have as a committee on response and reform. So we will look at institutionally at the different institutional practices and systems that we have to address situations like this. And a special task force has been formed specifically to look at the varsity, the athletic varsity programs of the school and to identify gaps. And with the view precisely that this tragedy should never, ever happen again.
Ibig sabihin po, magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa mga trainings ng student athletes?
We will see, and we will update you. That committee and the work of that committee and the task force is ongoing and it's exhaustive.
Alright, sige po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panahon, Father
Maraming salamat din
Hizo.
po, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you po.